G'day and welcome to my channel. My name's Fiona. I'm the face and the sole artist of Prismatic Brush. I'm a full-time polymer clay artist from Australia, as well as a full-time mum to a little toddler. You're probably wondering, how on earth did she get lucky enough to become a full-time polymer clay artist? Well, it didn't happen overnight. It's taken me the last 2 years, and I can safely say that the years before it definitely led into it as well. Back then I was doing miniature painting. I know he's not miniature, but I did purchase this guy and paint him. However, the base that he sits on is completely made by me from scratch. And that's where the polymer clay journey began. I wanted to increase my skills in sculpting, and all of a sudden I found this amazing brightly colored polymer clay, and it just changed the direction my life was going in. And because of that, I just want to share the journey with you guys. So everything that I've learned in the last 2 years, I'm putting into tutorials on YouTube to help teach you. Now, whether or not that's something you're interested in, or if you're just here to follow along, you're more than welcome. I would be so over the moon if you just hit that subscribe button. If you ever want to adopt any of my critters, there's a good chance that you can do that as well. I have a website at prismaticbrush.com that you can head to and make a purchase of my art pieces that are available at the time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked what you've seen, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you later.